Meet Maya. She had just spent hours finishing the annual report when she accidentally saved over last week's approved version. Panic? Not today. SharePoint Server keeps every draft safely tucked away. Let's walk through how Maya, a new can roll back to the right copy in seconds. First, open the SharePoint site and head to the document library where the file lives, in Maya's case, 2000 test folder. Hover over the file name, select the menu, and choose Version History. A new panel lists every saved version, who modified it, and when. Click a timestamp to preview that snapshot. Need to compare? Open two versions side by side or download one for a detailed check. Once you've found the right copy, hit Restore. SharePoint creates a new, current version from the snapshot. Nothing is deleted, so you can always switch back. Your restored file now sits at the top, ready for review. Crisis averted. And that's it, easy version rollbacks with SharePoint Server.